All right, let's try this, mate.
It's called a Scotch egg.
So you tell me it's a fried egg.
That's not fried egg.
Okay.
It's boiled. It's got like sausage meat on the outside and then breadcrumbs. Oh, he likes this one. What are we saying?
You know what? Because I like eggs. I'm not gonna lie. I like boiled eggs. I like it.
So
5 out of 10. Not the best, but 5 out of 10. Like, I can't believe the king just like was just up one day, just made this dish. Like
yeah, the king invented Scotch eggs. To be fair,
Yeah, but
yeah, he did. Shout out the king.